Welcome to this tutorial on how to start with Prizepicks, a popular fantasy sports platform that allows you to compete against others and win cash prizes. To get started, first you need to create an account on the Prizepicks website or mobile app. This involves providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you will need to deposit funds into it. Prizepicks offers a variety of deposit methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. The minimum deposit amount is typically $10, and there are no fees associated with depositing funds. After depositing funds, you can start building your fantasy lineup. Prizepicks offers a unique format where you can choose between 2 and 5 players from a variety of sports, including the NBA, NFL, and MLB. You will need to select the players you think will perform well in their upcoming games, and you will be given a list of available players to choose from. When selecting your players, you will need to consider their past performance, current form, and other factors that may affect their performance. You will also need to decide on the type of picks you want to make, such as over or under on a player's statistics. Once you have selected your players and made your picks, you will need to submit your lineup and wait for the games to be played. If your picks are correct, you will win a cash prize, which will be deposited into your account. The amount of the prize will depend on the number of correct picks you made and the amount of money you deposited. To maximize your chances of winning, it is essential to do some research and stay up to date with the latest sports news and trends. You can use various resources such as sports websites, social media, and expert analysis to help you make informed decisions. In addition to doing research, it is also essential to manage your bankroll effectively. This involves setting a budget and sticking to it, as well as avoiding chasing losses. By following these best practices, you can enjoy a fun and rewarding experience on Prizepicks and increase your chances of winning cash prizes. Overall, starting with Prizepicks is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of fantasy sports and a willingness to learn and adapt. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and doing your research, you can start competing and winning cash prizes in no time.